Hi there, Mike Lamalfa, Sales Director with Erickson Foundation Solutions. Here to talk to you today about a recent customer of ours who had contacted us because they were concerned with the bowing foundation wall of their flower shop. Thought I'd take a moment to explain the 3 stages of foundation failure in a block wall. Stage 1 where you'd see a horizontal crack right at the frost line of that wall. And then we have our stage 2, which is where you see stair-step cracking at the corners of the wall. Stage 3 would be the bottom block of that wall actually shearing off. And then there's stage 4, which is ultimate failure. In this case, the wall was bowed at 3 inches. We saw horizontal cracking as well as stair-step cracking, and it was a perfect contender for our auxiliary wall system.
Hi, my name is Nick Carelli. I'm the masonry foreman, and today we are going to show you an aux wall. So today we were actually able to get the aux wall all lined up. We got our power braces installed. We had to make some modified brackets here or there to make sure that it worked properly, but then we were able to make sure that everything lined up. After the power braces were set, bolted into the ground, and hooked up into the floor joist, we were then able to space out and figure out where our rebar was going to run through. We drilled all our holes to get those holes lined up. The rebar was then passed through those holes so that we could have a continuous flow of rebar all the way across the floor. On this one, we were actually able to drill pinning into the slab across each section of the floor so that it was connected into the wall and would provide that kick protection. We were also able to measure it all out so we could get our forms in there nice and accurately. We had to also sleeve the water main to actually make sure that the concrete wall would be formed around it properly. We were able to do that by forming up next to it, putting a plywood section around it with that PVC pipe that went through the wall, making sure that the water main could be completely accessible going forward. So a very important detail to have is to know how the pump is going to get into the house and how we're going to pump in a safe manner. All in all, pumping went very well. We had a great pour and great truck. We had a really good batch of concrete. We used like a 6 slump, and then we used the vibration all the way down, the vibrator across the wall, all the way down the wall to make sure that we got all the air gaps and air bubbles out of it, allowing that concrete to move more freely inside of our wall, because we did try and keep that depth as minimum as possible. Whereas one section of the wall got close to 18 inches, the rest of the wall remained around 8 to 10 inches.
Going into the project, the flower shop owners were very nervous about the state of their foundation wall. After constructing the aux wall, we were able to stabilize the foundation wall, relieving the worries of potential wall failure, while redefining the construction experience by offering quality solutions and exceptional customer service. We provided these flower shop owners with the peace of mind that they've been searching for.